Summer is here. Finally.
No more school. I am so happy. We have a long holiday now.
Look, Peter. Ready?
I am ready, Anna. Catch me.
1, 2, 3. Take this.
It is so cool and fun.
Kids, be careful in the sun.
Yes, Dad. We are okay.
Don't run too fast, okay?
Come on, please work. Oh no, this phone is so old. It is so slow. I can't work.
Are you sad, Mom?
The phone is broken again, Anna.
Can we buy a new one?
It is very expensive. I need money. I must save money for it.
Don't worry, Mom. I can help.
Thank you, my sweet girl.
Everyone, look at this map.
Are we going somewhere?
The beach. We can go next month.
Yeah, I love the sea. I want to swim. Can we build sandcastles, Dad?
Yes, but we must save money. No expensive toys this summer, okay?
I promise. I only need the beach. Mom works so hard. I love her. I wish I can buy her a new one.
We are going to the market, kids.
Stay home and look after Peter. Anna.
Yes, Dad. We will be good.
I leave my phone here. Don't touch it.
What do we do now, Anna?
I want to take some photos. It is so cool. I look like a star. Look at me, Peter. Smile. 3, 2, 1.
I want to be in the photo too.
Wait, Peter. Don't run.
Oops, sorry, Anna.
Oh no! Stop! No, please, no! The screen! It is broken! It is not working. It is black. Mom will be very angry.
What do we do? Tell Mom.
No! I am so scared, Peter. We must hide it, fast. Put it here, under the books. Don't tell anyone, Peter. Promise?
I promise, Anna.
We are back. Are you okay?
Yes, Mom. We are fine.
Where is my phone? I left it here. Anna, did you see my phone?
No, Mom. I didn't see it.
That's strange. I need it for work. Maybe it is in the kitchen?
I've searched everywhere here, but couldn't find it.
I am a bad girl. I lied.
If I lose it, I lose my job.
I am so sorry, Mom. I must do something. I must help. Is Mom still looking for the phone?
I am so tired, but I need a new phone.
The laundry job is very hard, Luna.
I must work more hours to buy it.
Mom is working extra because of me. I don't have enough money here. Wait! This restaurant needs a waitress. I can do it. I am big now. I will earn money for Mom's phone. Tomorrow, I start my new job. Okay, Anna, don't be scared. Hello, sir. Can I work here?
You are young, but you look hardworking.
I will do my best, sir. This tray is very heavy. Walk slowly, don't drop it. Walk slowly, don't drop it. Here is your water, sir. Enjoy.
Thank you, little girl. Good job.
Cleaning is hard work, too. I am so tired, but I won't stop. Many plates, so much soap. It is late. Mom is waiting home.
Anna is working? Why?
A small tip.
Oh, a tip. Thank you so much. $1 more for the phone.
You are a great waitress, Anna.
Hot soup. Please be careful, sir. Almost finished for today. My hands hurt, but my heart is happy. Tomorrow, I will work more. I hope Mom is sleeping now. I will put the money here. For Luna, I love you, Mom.
I saw you at the restaurant, Anna.
Shh, it is a secret, Peter.
I want to help you, too.
You can help me do housework, Peter. Mom doesn't need to do this today.
Look, Anna, the floor is clean.
Wow! Good job, Peter. Thank you.
Why is the house so clean today?
We want to help you, Mom. We want to help you, Mom.
You are very good children this summer.
I will tell you the truth soon.
Family is the best team ever.
Mom, Dad. Can I talk to you?
Of course, Anna. Come here.
I have a secret. A bad secret. I broke your phone, Mom. I am sorry.
Oh, Anna. So this is what happened.
I was scared. I lied to you.
I promised to keep the secret, too.
Lying is worse than a broken phone, Anna.
I know, Dad. I am very, very sorry. This is for you, Mom. I worked for it.
You worked at the restaurant for this?
I wanted to buy you a new phone.
My poor girl. You worked so hard. I am not angry about the phone, Anna. I am happy because you are honest now.
You learned a big lesson today, Anna. I have a surprise for everyone, too. I also saved money to help Mom.
David, a new phone? Thank you.
It is beautiful. Mom can work now.
Keep your money, Anna. You earned it.
No, Mom. Let's use it for our trip.
Yes, the beach. Let's go to the beach.
Next week, we go to the sea together.
Teamwork makes us a happy family.
Sun hat, check. Swimsuit, check.
Glasses? Check.
Ready for the water. Let's go.
Everyone in the car. Adventure starts.
Look at the camera. 1, 2, 3.
We look so happy in this photo. The sea is so blue and big.
The water is cool. Come here, Anna.
This is the best summer ever.
Look, Mom, a gift from the sea.
You are my best gift, Anna.
Let's build the biggest castle here.
I learned a lot this summer holiday. Be honest and love your family every day.
Goodbye. See you in the next story. We love you all. Practice your English.